Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick and helpful video to any of you trying to find where the windshield washer pump fuses and relays are located on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain about that. Also, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. The windshield washer pump fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them guys, we'll demonstrate on that generation GMC Sierra right here. Quick advice guys, 90% of the owners of that truck do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes located in it. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called GMC Sierra Fuse Box Location and Diagram. Check it out, it's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. What we need to do today, we need to open the hood. Lucky for us, we're working on a fuse box that's easy to get to. Here on the driver's side, you see that's a brake fluid reservoir. Right here on the driver's side, we have the main engine fuse box here, guys. What you need to do, open that cover. Underneath, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the J-case fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. So guys, okay, what we need to check here specifically, there will be differences. This is a 2018 model fuse box. In 2018 they switched to a different layout. 2014 to 17 is another one. We will explain about both. Now first for 2018 model, you guys need to check fuse number 54. We're talking about that 15 fuse right here. There is one more fuse that you need to check and that's 24 for the windshield wipers right here. These two fuses will need to be checked. Now if you have guys 2014 to 2017 model, you need to check, this is fuse number 55 actually. It's the same location but it's 55 and still fuse number 24. You don't have relay, you have only fuses. These fuses that are known as relay fuses that you will need to check. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.